Today we're taking a deep dive into the Banco Santander Mexico Fiesta Rewards Platinum Credit Card. From the moment you land on the website, you'll notice the interface is polished and straightforward. Santander has done a decent job at presenting the benefits and terms of this card in a visually digestible way. The homepage highlights exclusive access to Fiesta Rewards points, travel perks, and insurance coverage, but doesn't exactly break down the fine print right away. When digging into the benefits, you'll see that this card is designed for frequent travelers and consumers who want to get rewarded for spending. The site mentions earning Fiesta Rewards points on every purchase and emphasizes flexible redemption options, from hotels to flights and experiences. However, the actual point valuation isn't clear without navigating deeper into the terms and conditions, which might feel like a hurdle for some users. The annual fee is fairly high, and while that may be justified by the rewards and benefits offered, the site doesn't provide a direct comparison with lower-tier or competitor cards. It would help if they were more transparent here. For someone on a budget or not traveling often, this could be a major downside. The eligibility requirements and income level needed to apply are also vaguely mentioned, which can be frustrating if you're trying to figure out whether this card fits your financial situation. Another aspect worth noting is the mobile banking integration. The site claims you can manage everything through the Santander Mexico app, including paying bills, reviewing transactions, and tracking points. But again, actual user testimonials or app screenshots are missing. This lack of real-world context might leave potential applicants with unanswered questions. Sometimes life throws a curveball, and that's exactly when getting money online in minutes with OnCredit just makes sense. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now, if you're someone who values lounge access, travel insurance, and wants a points-based rewards system for spending both locally and abroad, this card could potentially offer great value. But be cautious. The lack of detailed fee structures, unclear point redemption guides, and minimal visual breakdowns could make it hard to fully understand the card's worth until you're already approved and using it. Also, the website misses the opportunity to feature a robust FAQ section or offer a side-by-side comparison tool, which would be immensely helpful in evaluating this card against others in Santander's portfolio or competing Mexican banks. This adds friction to the user journey, and for people who aren't already familiar with financial products, it might feel intimidating. The application process itself is online, and the website does a good job of directing you step by step through the form. But again, if your documents or income don't meet the unlisted expectations, you might not know until after applying. That's another pain point worth considering. If you're already a Fiesta Rewards member through other Santander products, this card might make sense to maximize your points. If not, you might want to explore alternatives with lower annual fees and clearer transparency. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest, in-depth reviews like this one.